There are at least 7 reasons why 2026 Toyota Tacoma owners will be stuck with their truck forever and enjoy every second of it. It usually starts as a smart buy but quickly turns into a forever bond because this isn't just a regular truck. It's a vehicle that continues to impress its owners over and over, and things go way beyond reliability, durability, and other typical Toyota strengths. It's the most complete package around, and here's why. Number 7. Off-Road Competence. The 2026 Tacoma is the ultimate off-road platform, but not in the way you might expect. While competitors are offering 1 or 2 off-road variants, Toyota is building an entire ecosystem of capability levels that will cater to every conceivable off-road need. Starting with the base 4-wheel drive models, every Tacoma is going to deliver solid off-road fundamentals. The standard package includes electronically controlled 2-speed transfer case, active traction control, automatic limited slip differential, and an impressive 12 inches of ground clearance. These features alone will outperform most competitors' base offerings. The pre-runner variant is going to target work-oriented buyers who need light trail capability. It's getting a front suspension lift, locking rear differential, comprehensive underbody protection, and multi-terrain select optimization. This configuration will appeal to contractors and outdoor workers who occasionally venture off pavement. For serious enthusiasts, the TRD Pro is bringing desert running capability with Fox 2.5-inch internal bypass dampers, 33-inch tires, reshaped bumpers for improved approach angles, and front sway bar disconnect for maximum articulation. The specialized multi-terrain monitor system will provide real-time views of tire placement and terrain obstacles. Also, there is the Trail Hunter, which redefines overlanding capability. Old Man MU suspension components, modular bed utility systems, integrated recovery points, and a 2,000-watt power inverter will make extended backcountry adventures completely self-sufficient. Number 6. Configuration flexibility. The 2026 Tacoma solves one of the biggest frustrations in the midsize truck segment: limited choices. While most competitors are forcing buyers into a single crew cab configuration with a compromised short bed, Toyota is bringing true configurability. The extra cab configuration is returning with meaningful practicality improvements. These models feature the 6-foot bed as standard, providing genuinely useful cargo capacity for work equipment, recreational gear, or construction materials. The extended cab design offers lockable rear storage panels and a fold-flat passenger seat, creating secure storage for valuable tools or equipment. Double cab buyers are going to have genuine choice between bed lengths. The 5-foot bed variant prioritizes passenger comfort and urban maneuverability, while the 6-foot option provides serious utility without sacrificing the 4-door convenience. This flexibility will allow buyers to optimize their truck for their specific lifestyle without compromise. The suspension systems are being matched to intended use as well. Extra cab models will utilize leaf springs for maximum payload and towing capability, making them ideal for work applications. Double cab versions feature the sophisticated coil spring setup that transforms ride quality and handling characteristics. This level of customization is becoming increasingly rare in the automotive industry. Most manufacturers are streamlining to single configurations to reduce complexity and costs. But Toyota is recognizing that truck buyers have diverse needs that can't be served by one-size-fits-all solutions. Once buyers configure their ideal Tacoma, they're going to struggle to find equivalent flexibility elsewhere. Number 5. Powertrain Variety. The base 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder produces 228 horsepower and 243 pound-feet of torque, providing substantial improvement over previous base engine while offering excellent fuel efficiency. Higher trim levels get the enhanced version producing 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. This configuration delivers acceleration performance that rivals much larger engines while maintaining reasonable fuel consumption. The 8-speed automatic transmission provides smooth power delivery and optimal gear ratios for both performance and efficiency. The hybrid iForce Max system represents the present and the future of truck powertrains. Combining the 2.4-liter turbo with electric motor assistance generate 326 horsepower and a massive 465 pound-feet of torque. This system provides performance that exceeds most V8 engines while achieving fuel economy in the low to mid-20s. What's particularly significant is the manual transmission availability. With the Jeep Gladiator discontinued in manual form, the 2026 Tacoma will become the only midsize truck offering this option. The 6-speed manual will be available on TRD off-road variants, providing enthusiasts with the control and engagement that's rapidly disappearing from the market. Number 4. Technology that won't become obsolete. The interior technology package in the 2026 Tacoma is going to balance cutting-edge features with enduring usability. The dashboard will feature either an 8-inch touchscreen in base models or an impressive 14-inch display in higher trims, but Toyota is maintaining physical controls for frequently used functions. This approach will prevent the frustration that plagues many modern vehicles, where simple adjustments require navigating through multiple menu screens. Climate controls, audio volume, and essential truck functions will remain accessible through traditional buttons and knobs. This design philosophy will maintain functionality even as software systems evolve. Safety technology includes the comprehensive Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with steering assist, and automatic high beams will be standard across all models. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and parking sensors. The key advantage is Toyota's approach to technology integration. Rather than overwhelming buyers with flashy but impractical features, the focus is on proven systems that enhance daily usability. This conservative but effective strategy means the technology will remain functional and relevant for many years without feeling outdated. Number 3. Comprehensive Safety Foundation. While many competitors are cutting corners on safety equipment to maintain profit margins, Toyota is making advanced protection systems standard across the entire lineup. The Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite represents the latest evolution of the company's safety technology. The pre-collision system uses enhanced radar and camera technology to detect vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists with improved accuracy and earlier warning times. The system provides automatic emergency braking that can prevent or significantly reduce the severity of frontal collisions. The proactive driving assist system represents a significant advancement in driver support technology. The system helps with subtle braking and steering adjustments in various situations, such as slowing for curves or maintaining appropriate distance from pedestrians and cyclists. It's designed to work seamlessly in the background, providing assistance without interfering with normal driving. This extensive safety equipment will remain current for many years as regulations and insurance requirements continue evolving. Owners will benefit from lower insurance premiums and enhanced protection for their families, creating additional incentive to maintain long-term ownership. Number 2. Ride quality. The key innovation of the current generation is the dual suspension strategy that optimizes performance for different applications and body styles. Double cab models feature the advanced multi-link coil spring rear suspension that dramatically improves on-road comfort and handling. This system absorbs road imperfections that would transmit harsh impacts through traditional leaf spring setups. Potholes, expansion joints, and rough pavement are managed with composure that rivals crossover vehicles. The sophisticated suspension geometry also enhances handling characteristics. Body roll is controlled more effectively, and steering response is more precise than previous generations. Highway stability has been improved, reducing driver fatigue on long trips and making the truck more confidence-inspiring in crosswinds or emergency maneuvers. Extra cab models retain leaf springs to maximize payload and towing capability for work applications. However, even these configurations benefit from revised tuning and improved damper technology that enhances comfort without compromising utility. This engineering advancement creates a truck that excels in multiple roles without compromise. Daily commuting will be comfortable and refined, weekend adventures will be capable and enjoyable, and work applications will remain practical and durable. Once owners experience this versatility, they'll struggle to find comparable capability in competing vehicles. Number 1. Resale value. One of the most compelling reasons to keep a 2026 Tacoma forever is its position as the absolute benchmark for resale value in the mid-sized truck segment. Toyota trucks consistently retain over 70% of their original value after 5 years, significantly outperforming every competitor. The financial mathematics are straightforward but powerful. While most vehicles depreciate rapidly, the Tacoma acts more like a store of value than a typical depreciating asset. Owners who maintain their trucks properly will find minimal financial penalty for extended ownership, effectively eliminating the economic pressure to trade for newer models. The market factors supporting this value retention are only strengthening. Toyota's reputation for reliability means used Tacomas remain in high demand among buyers who prioritize dependability over the latest features. The limited production of trucks with manual transmissions will make these variants particularly valuable to enthusiast buyers. The modern powertrains, advanced safety systems, and refined ride quality address the few criticisms of previous generations. These trucks represent the culmination of decades of development, creating vehicles that will remain desirable for many years. This value retention creates a unique ownership dynamic. Rather than losing money each month through depreciation, Tacoma owners will maintain an asset that could potentially appreciate depending on market conditions and maintenance quality. This financial security removes one of the primary motivations for trading vehicles, encouraging owners to maintain and enjoy their trucks indefinitely. Still, the Tacoma isn't the only Toyota truck that impresses in so many ways. Check out this video about the 2026 Toyota Tundra turning haters into believers, which you can now see on the screen. The full-size truck has just a couple of important updates for the next year, which make it an even more appealing package.